baby, let's drive.
Yes, though, it's your main man, CEO Yama K. I'm here with the Academy of Industrial Arts. Listen, I'm telling you, it's a better way to learn. I'm here with the only mobile electrical instructor. You gotta sign up when you see this program. If you want to get into being an electrician or even just the construction field and you want to start here, this is where you want to go. Holla at my guy, get signed up, stay locked in, and learn why it's a better way to learn.
Hi, I'm Harry Deloach,
Director of Education
for the Academy of Industrial Arts,
the TEA School.
If you're interested in starting a new career in the electrical trades, the TEA School is an excellent option. Our program is part-time, performance-based, and self-paced. Classes are very affordable and just one night a week. If you're looking for real-world experience, join the TEA School. It's a better way to learn.
Happy birthday to you, happy birthday to you, happy birthday, Cousin Harold, happy birthday to you.